Let's look at the next question. This one is a KCP question also. I believe it was 2015. The question is, the marked price of a TV set is 20,000. A 20% discount is allowed when buying the TV on cash. On higher purchase terms, only 12% installments of 2,000 each is paid. How much more does it cost to buy the TV set on higher purchase terms than cash? Okay, so this is another question on money. If you go through the videos, we have done some questions on the topic of money, such as commission, and now this one is dealing with higher purchase and also discount. Okay, let's go ahead and solve it. The marked price we are given is 20,000 shillings. Okay, then we need to know the cash price. This we are not given, but we are told that it is a 20% discount. Okay, so we are going to calculate the cash price. Also, we need to calculate the higher purchase. Okay, because the question is, how much more does it cost to buy the TV on higher purchase terms than cash? After we calculate the higher purchase, we are going to subtract the higher purchase, let's call it HP, higher purchase price. We subtract the cash price. Okay, because we want to know how much more. Okay, step number 1, we need to calculate the cash price, and we are given that it's a 20% discount. Discount means a price reduction. That is very important to understand, that discount means price reduction. So if the marked price is 20,000 and you get 20% discount, it means that there are two ways of calculating the discount. Okay, step number 1, the discount will be 20%, so it is 20 out of 100. And the reason it is out of 100 is because it's a percentage, and always percentages are out of 100. The second reason, the marked price is always 100%. Okay? So the discount is 20 out of 100 of the marked price, which is 20,000. You know, of means multiplication, so we can change of into multiplication. So this will be, this 0 will cancel out, this one will cancel out as well. So we have 2 times, this will be 4,000 shillings. Okay, so this is the discount. Therefore, if discount is a price reduction, therefore the final buying price after the discount will be the marked price, which is 20,000. Okay, you subtract the discount, which is 4,000. This gives us 16,000. Okay, so this is the actual buying price after the discount. Step or the other method of calculating discount. And method number 2. So you can choose whichever method that you find it easy for you. So step number 2, you say that if you are getting a 20% discount, right? It means that you are paying 80% of the marked price. MP is marked price. Because if the marked price is 100% and you get a 20% discount, right? It means it's 100, you subtract 20, so you are paying 80% of the marked price. Okay? So this will be 80%, and we have said percent means out of 100, okay, of the marked price. Of the marked price is 20,000. Okay, then of means multiplication. Obviously, as we have said, this will cancel out, the 0 will cancel out. Then this will be 8 times 2 is 16, becomes 16,000. Okay, so you see it is the same answer. Okay, so you can use either method, but while you are using the first method, you have to remember to subtract the discount from the marked price in order to get the final answer. Okay, so we are done with step number 1, which is calculating the cash price. We go to step number 2. Step number 2, we are calculating the hire purchase. Let's call it HP. And going back to the question, the hire purchase is 12 monthly installments of 2,000 each. Okay, so every month you are paying, so hire purchase will be, you are paying 2,000 every month, and then you are paying for 12 months. Therefore, the total price will be 24,000 shillings. All right. So this is the hire purchase price. Now let me explain maybe a bit more on hire purchase. Hire purchase is whereby you go to buy maybe a television and you don't have enough money at the moment. Therefore, you get into an agreement. Okay? You get into an agreement with the person selling the television, in that you will be paying monthly. In this case, you pay 2,000 every month, and then you have to pay for 12 months. After you are done with the 12 months, you have paid for the whole thing. All right? So, and the monthly contributions, we call them installments. Okay? Installments are the monthly contributions. So, another point to understand about hire purchase is the hire purchase price will always, okay? The price will always be higher than both the marked price, and it will also be higher than the cash price. Yeah, all the time, because you are not paying for the item at once, most of the time it will be higher. In this question, it's 24,000. The cash price is 16,000. The marked price was 20,000 over here. Okay, so the higher purchase price will always be higher. Okay, now that we are done with step number 2, step number 3, it's asking, we need to know the difference, right? The question is how much more. As always, go back to the question and read again, because you can see over here that 16,000 is one of the answers, right? But it is not the correct answer. 24,000 is one of the answers, but it is not the correct answer. That is why if you want to get 100%, 90% and above in mathematics, you need to go back to the question and read again. Okay, the question is, how much more does it cost to buy the TV set on higher purchase terms than cash? So we want to find the difference. The difference between higher purchase and cash. So that will be 24,000, which is the higher purchase. We subtract 16,000. Okay. So this gives us 4,000. No, not 4,000. This gives us 8,000. 8,000 shillings. Therefore, this is the difference in price, and therefore this is the correct answer. So going back to the question, therefore the correct answer is C. Yes, so that is how you go about solving these questions about higher purchase and discount. You will, once you go into this channel, most of these KCP questions, they are testing you whether you know multiple concepts. Okay, that is why it is very, very important to understand the like the topics as a whole. Okay, if you understand the concept of higher purchase and you don't understand the concept of discount, then you are not going to get the question. So we always insist, go back into the the drawing board and get the whole topic down. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and we have more videos on money. We have more videos on individual topics. If you have some problems with individual topics such as money or algebra or any other topic, leave us a comment. You can also reach us via the phone number in the channel. Send us a message via WhatsApp, and then we are going to respond to you. Bye bye.